But
How?
if you write if Dada gets like a F plus, but before he goes to before he studies, he'll look at this app called TikTok, which people do things and hacks, like they do like life hacks, like, and there's some study like if like people showed how to turn a F minus into a A minus, into a A plus. So first, you just need to go here, make a line there, bam, A plus, bam, and write a circle.
Oh,
A plus.
so in TikTok they used to show how people turn F minus into A plus.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the hack in TikTok,
Yeah.
which Dada used to watch.
Yeah. So now when Dada has to get a plus, when instead if he gets an A plus, he'll just do this.
Oh, Gubi knows everything.
Baba,
Gubi knows everything.
Baba.
How?
A is supposed to have a tip, so that's how you know it's a fake A.
Oh, okay.
And